Hi, let's see what is Future MD. Prevention, diagnosis and treatment of diseases is done based on the data which is generated by medical devices. In daily activities, healthcare professionals use a variety of medical devices, from simple blood pressure devices to more sophisticated, such as mechanical ventilators or CT devices. As we live in the age of artificial intelligence, we are able to draw unseen conclusions and tailor activities that make them more people-centered with improved capabilities. The global market for medical devices is huge, and it will continue showing a significant growth in the future. Today, a person who comes to the hospital for a routine checkup goes under a series of tests, and the results of the tests are used in making a diagnosis. Everyone relies on test results. So do you find yourself ever thinking how reliable these measurements are? Not really. You just trust that someone has taken care of it. And you're slightly right. Pre-market and post-market surveillance have been defined since 1992. Pre-market surveillance activities are harmonized by related international standards. Post-market surveillance, well, not so much. And this has been recognized by the regulators. This is why the European Union published medical device regulation in 2017, emphasizing the requirements for post-market surveillance. So here we are. The present we are living in is changing, and the question is, can we predict the future? Can we ensure that every medical device in the future, when used in healthcare service, doesn't make any harm and injury to our patient or healthcare professionals? Can we predict when device performance will go out of defined technical specification? Can we predict when the device is going to fail? To answer these questions, we have organized a knowledge transfer experiment and investigated the basis for creation of predictive, not reactive medical device management systems. The knowledge transfer was bi-directional. SME transferred the know-how of medical device inspection process to the academia partner, while in return got the expertise know-how in different artificial intelligence platforms. This experiment was about exchange of knowledge aimed at developing product based on machine learning that would digitize applications for medical device management in healthcare institutions. These are innovative systems, presenting predictive, not reactive medical device maintenance management systems. It was very good collaboration, fruitful one. Thank you, Smart4All, for making it possible. Wishing safe and reliable healthcare services for everyone. Goodbye!